The second event of aeroSPARX's 2021 mini tour to Poland was one of our favourite air shows anywhere, Antidotum Airshow Leszno. The Leszno Airshow has long been one of Europe's friendliest and most creative air shows, and this year's was no different. With almost a week of practice sessions, it was also the perfect place to hone our drone flying skills, filming in close proximity to fully aerobatic manoeuvres for the first time. But it wasn't just in the drone department where we tried something unusual. The displays themselves were accompanied by live music, and the night show was integrated with fireworks on the ground.
What I must say, Leszno is a great venue to come to. It's great to work with live music and also fire on the ground. So we can create a lovely transition from obviously what we do, which is very special, to what they're doing on the ground that's very special.
Air shows in Leszno are unique. They start off just before sunset and continue late into the night, with imaginative one-off displays throughout. This year included some magnificent set-piece displays by the Flying Bulls of Red Bull, travelling from Austria. And extensive participation from the Polish Air Force with the F-16, aerobatic team Orlik, and the first ever full display by one of their C-130 Hercules, including this spectacular flare drop. This year also saw foreign military participation for the first time, with a Swiss Super Puma. aeroSPARX topped off an evening of superlative entertainment with the traditional pyro display, but with a twist, as both aircraft wheeled around bursts of ground-launched fireworks as the display's spectacular finale.